Hello friends, and welcome back to Mrs. Carnes and Me. When you think of Silversea, you probably think luxury. But what about cooking classes, live music, trivia, and some surprisingly fun nightlife? On this trip, we tried to experience it all. But one thing we really wanted to do just kept slipping through our fingers until we decided not to give up. Before we even left for this trip, there was one experience I had my heart set on, the S.A.L.T cooking class. I tried to book it the moment it opened, and nothing, waitlisted. I even called Silversea a few weeks before the cruise, hoping maybe something had opened up, but no luck. They told me to check with our butler once we got on board. So of course, that was one of the first things I asked. But by the time we boarded, after taking that amazing train ride, all of the classes were full. At this point, it just wasn't looking good. But I wasn't giving up just yet. I made my way down to the S.A.L.T lab and somehow caught the head chef in the room. I told him my story, waitlisted, called, asked on board, and incredibly, he found a way to make 2 spots for us. And just like that, we were in. Since we only had 2 spots available, one of our friends joined me for the class. From the moment we walked into the S.A.L.T lab, we knew this was going to be fun. Everything was set up at our stations, and the whole experience felt really relaxed and hands-on.
That says decent. That's not what I wanted. It's this little S.A.L.T thing. Cute. Fun.
Today. So a little bit about the S.A.L.T systems. The S.A.L.T stands for the Sea and Land Taste, and it is a program that was devised by Silversea, so that no matter what port we're in, no matter where we're sailing, we are representing the cuisine, the culture, and hopefully doing homage to the ingredients of where we are.
It wasn't about being a great cook. It was about learning, trying something new, and just enjoying the process. This class was completely hands-on. We were mixing, chopping, pouring, really getting involved in every step of the process. And what made this experience so unique was that everything we created was inspired by the region, using ingredients and flavors native to Alaska. The chef walked us through each step, sharing tips and stories along the way, and before we knew it, we had created a full dish. We made wild berry crumble and a creamy wild mushroom soup. And yes, we got to eat it.
It's gonna be so good. All right, I'm gonna help myself taking a bite. That ought to be, I'm really good at this now. Here we go. That is so good. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Really good. Mr. Carnes would love this. I'll have to make it for him.
And while the S.A.L.T lab was definitely a highlight, it's just one of the many experiences you'll find on board. At the S.A.L.T bar, the cocktails are inspired by the destinations you're visiting, each one telling a story through local flavors and ingredients. And just steps away, the S.A.L.T kitchen brings those same regional influences to the table, offering dishes that reflect the places you're exploring along the way. In the evenings, this ship comes alive with music at the Silver Note, an intimate venue with incredible performances and a relaxed, upscale vibe. During the day, you'll also find casual activities like trivia, an easy way to meet people, share a few laughs, and maybe even learn something new.
25, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for the best winners. 25 points. And in second place with 24. Our team of 35 people in the corner with a phone as well.
And of course, the shore excursions offer the chance to take those experiences beyond the ship, exploring each destination in a more meaningful way. And when the sun goes down, there's still so much to enjoy, from quiet lounges to music, dancing, and everything in between. It's these little moments, both on and off the ship, that really make the Silversea experience so special. At the end of the day, what really stood out to us wasn't the luxury, it was the experiences. From hands-on moments like the salt cooking class to incredible dining, live music, and even the simple fun of trivia, there's so much to enjoy on board. And sometimes the best experiences are the ones you don't give up on, because they just might turn out to be the most memorable part of your trip. And if you ever get the chance, don't skip that cooking class. Thank you so much for watching, and please join us again next week as we continue this incredible journey, because as always, we know that we are living the good life, and we hope you are too. Cheers!